Okay, someone in my Facebook group asked about the T-pins that I use along with the hoops in some of our Zoom classes that we've been doing. So I wanted to show you how we do that and explain a little bit of why we use these T-pins. Embroidery hoops are a little bit different. This is a home embroidery hoop from a Brother Dream machine. It's a 6x10 hoop, and it has a rectangle shape. So it has these long, straight edges. And if this stabilizer that I've hooped is going to become loose anywhere at all, more than likely it's going to be on these straight edges, because it's just not able to hold it as tight on a straight edge as it is around a curve like that. My commercial embroidery machine uses round hoops like this, and the tension stays really tight all the way around because of the shape of this hoop. But on this one, on a rectangle, it does not. It can loosen right here. So if you have any problems with the stabilizer becoming loose in your frame during embroidery, that's usually where the culprit will be like that. So a while back, I was looking at some of John Deere's videos or in one of his classes or something, and he showed using T-pins in these home embroidery hoops that are rectangular in shape like that. So showed us how to do it, and honestly, I've been doing it ever since. Not when I'm embroidering shirts or something like that. In fact, I've been embroidering shirts all day, so we don't do this for that. But in the case of me using where I just have to hoop the stabilizer, such as freestanding lace or in the hoop designs where you're just going to be able to put a pre-cut piece of fabric, just lay it on top of here and float it, then you might want to use the T-pins to help hold this thin stabilizer in there really nice and tight. So those are the only two applications that I use it in. This is cutaway. This is a medium weight cutaway, and I'll use it in this because say we're going to do one of our in the hoop mini quilts on here, or any other in the hoop thing. And I also like to use them. They work great for freestanding lace to hold that stabilizer nice and tight while your freestanding lace is embroidering like that. So all we're doing is taking a few of these 2-inch T-pins, and we're going to stick it right on top of the hoop like that, and use your thumbnail to make sure the other end comes out. So it's going in here and coming out there, and what's going to happen is it's just going to prevent it from slipping back in. It's holding this stabilizer right where it belongs outside of the hoop. And I'll put a few, usually on this 6x10 hoop, I'll put 3 on each edge like that. And it takes a little practice at first. When I first started doing it, I was a little clumsy with it and couldn't do it very well. Now I can do it fairly quickly. So I'll put 3 on this side and turn it around and put 3 on the other side also. And it does get easier. I'm trying to do it underneath a camera, so it's a little tricky like that, but it works great. I mean, it really holds the stabilizer nice and tight. And you don't have to worry about it slipping or getting loose or anything. And it was a great tip. I'm so glad I got that tip from John. He's been in the embroidery business for a really long time, and he knows all sorts of neat tips and tricks. So there you go. T-pins, 2-inch T-pins. You can get them at sewing stores, Joann's, Amazon, just about anywhere. So hope that helps answer your question, and hope this helps you with your embroidery projects too. Bye.